In this flashcard video, we're going to discuss what is ionization energy. Ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an atom or an ion. Ionization energy increases as you go up into the right of the periodic table. When you remove the first electron from an atom, the amount of energy required is called the first ionization energy. If you want to remove a second electron, the amount of energy required to remove the second electron is called the second ionization energy. You can continue on with the third, fourth, fifth, and so forth electron. You should know that successive ionization energies always requires more energy. This means that removing the second electron requires more energy than removing the first electron. And removing the third electron is going to require even more energy than removing the second electron. And you can continue that as you remove more and more electrons.